We continue with number 28 on our countdown of the top 100 gods. Poseidon, the formidable Greek god of the sea, storms, and earthquakes. One of the 12 Olympians, Poseidon wielded his trident to stir the seas and shake the earth. Sailors prayed for his favor, for his wrath could summon violent tempests or calm the waters at will. Poseidon was also known as the Earth Shaker because of his power to cause earthquakes, a force as unpredictable and destructive as the sea he ruled. Known for his volatile nature, Poseidon played a key role in Greek mythology, from the creation of horses to his legendary feud with Athena over the patronage of Athens. His influence extended beyond the ocean depths, shaping the fate of mortals and gods alike. Stay tuned for number 27 on our list. Thanks for watching the Cryptic Conclave.